Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thank you for coming to my presentation today. I'm glad to meet you all. Before starting our presentation today, let me introduce myself. I'm Desi Maliha and I'm from the Faculty of Psychology. Well, in this presentation we are going to discuss about In this presentation, we will discuss about the relationship between love and love language in college student. Okay, my friend, the purpose of this presentation is to fulfill the English course assessment. Love can be felt by anyone in general. Love is the feeling of affection one person has for another. However, the definition of love can be different for each person. This is influenced by each individual diverse background and uniqueness. Love is an emotional response that is similar in nature to feelings such as anger, sadness, pleasure, and fear. According to Sternberg view, the components of love consist of three elements, namely intimacy, passion, and commitment. Number one, intimacy is a feeling involving emotion associated with warmth, closeness, and sharing in a relationship. Intimacy is an emotional factor that makes individuals driven to maintain emotional relationship with close and loved ones. Number two, passion encompasses a deep present longing to be one with loved one, and describe feelings that feeling reflects feeling and desires in a sexual context. Passion refers to urges that lead to romanticism, sexual attraction, exploration in terms of sexuality, and feeling of pleasure arising in the context of romantic relationship. Number three, commitment refers to aspects of the relationship that span different lengths of time. In the short term, this component involves active engagement in love, while in the long term, commitment reflects an individual's determination to nurture and sustain the emotional bond. The Five Love Language is a guide proposed by Gary Chapman that outlines 5 forms of love experience that exist within each individual in the context of relationship. These 5 love languages are assumed to be a means for method to communicate with each other between couples. The world has a love language, albeit to varying degrees. There are 5 love languages, namely word of affirmation, quality time, act of service, receiving gift, and physical touch. It can be concluded that love languages are the use of language to express and understand affection affection or love towards others. The Genov notes that dating is an act or activity undertaken by two individuals to introduce themselves and get to know each other. Dating is also recognized as a form of relationship that aims to understand each other, thus creating a feeling of security and being valued. Romantic relationships have several important meanings and make a positive contribution to each individual. The issue at the center of this study is whether there is a positive and significant correlation between the elements of love and love language in university students who are in a romantic relationship.